Wake up everyone. How can you sleep on time? Unless the dreamer is the real you. Listen to your voice, the one that tells you the days as the tip of your tongue. I don't wanna wait before the dream is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I know it. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. Keep an eye on a heavy rotation, requesting that it's lifting you up, up and away. Came over to a table at the Gratitude Cafe. And I am finally there, and all the angels that be singing la 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 la. Yes. Well, I don't wanna break before the tour is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'm alone and I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. Time is everything. This time is great. I am balancing, careful and steady, reveling in energy that everyone's emitting. Well, I don't wanna wait no more. Oh, I wanna celebrate the whole world. I'm gonna make it mine. Oh, yes, I'm following your joy. I'm gonna make it mine because I am open. I'm gonna make it mine. That's why I will show it. I'm gonna make it all mine. Gonna make it mine. Oh, mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. Wake up everyone. How can you sleep on time? Unless the dreamer is the real you. Listen to your voice, the one that tells you the days as the tip of your tongue. Leaving that never will appear. I don't wanna wait before the dream is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, voice, the one that tells you to taste past the tip of your tongue. Leap in the net will appear. I don't wanna wait before the dream is over. I'm gonna play it fine. Yes, I know it. I'm gonna play it fine. Yes, I'll make it all fine. Don't wanna break